For over 50 years, St. Joseph County has talked about improving our career and technical education, helping students and businesses be more competitive, growing our own workforce of welders, electricians, mechanics, and healthcare workers, as well as other skilled professionals to service our community of choice. On November 5th, voters can turn talk into positive action. The CTE ballot proposal would restore the high school option of vocational education, which benefits everyone, students, employers, and residents alike, with more career choices, more on-the-job co-op experiences, and more free college credits and certifications. It's time to stop talking and time to vote, and to help us put skilled trades, career planning, and quality job preparation back into our high schools. At just $1 it's a great investment in our future, a great investment for everyone in the community. Please vote yes for the CTE millage on November 5th. It's good for everyone. Paid for by the St. Joseph County CTE Advocacy Group.